When there's one thing about traveling which I don't like, then it's definitely packing. It is now 6:19 a.m. in the morning. We get picked up in 11 minutes. We should rush. Right on time. I would like to check out.
Check out.
Yeah. I mean, we get picked up between 7:30 and 7. It is now 6:41 in the morning. Did you tell us when we get picked up? No, just between 7:30 and 7, right?
5 minutes.
In 5 minutes or here? Okay, okay.
ไปภูเก็ตภูเก็ตภูเก็ตนี่แขกเขาจะไปเกาะพังงานน่ะชุดเนี้ย
Today we are leaving the island, and the cheapest way to get to Koh Phangan is by taking the van, the shared minivan. And it seems to be that there are some misunderstanding communication problems right here. I don't know if this is our bus back there, but he's waiting in front of a different hotel. Is it now our bus or not? In 10 minutes he should be here. Otherwise we will have a problem. Because it is already 10 minutes to 7. He's gone. I don't know. He's gone.
I know บัส5 นาที
Bus, yeah, Pier. Loy, what is the name of the pier? Lipanoi. Pier and then Ferry, Koh Phangan, yeah.
5 นาที
5 minutes or? Okay, okay. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Bye bye. นี่ไปไหนครับ
Koh Phangan?
No No พังงาน
No.
Yes
And it's the wrong bus.
Lipanoi Ferry. Lipanoi?
No
No?
Okay, then we need our bags, please.
Oh, okay.
โอเคผมไปสุราษฎร์นู่น
Okay, that was the wrong bus. And it is already 7. You know that? Oh yeah, maybe. Hello.
Koh Phangan?
ไอ้ชุดแต่ก่อนนะ
But no. Thank you very much. Open cup.
Right, yeah?
เยอะๆก็เป็นไง
Okay. Thank you, bye.
sorry man sorry
Yeah, it's okay, it's okay. Whew. Okay. Okay, let's just hope that this is our bus. The cheapest way to get Koh Phangan is by taking the ferry. And as of Corona, the ferry goes only once per day at 9:30. It is now 8 minutes past 7. We are a little bit behind our schedule, but we should still make it. We drive 1 hour to the pier, as the pier is on the complete opposite of Koh Samui Island. There's a van, such a bus, leaving every hour, and we also could have taken one later, but then we would have arrived at 8:15 at the pier, which would give us only 50 minutes to get the ticket and the ferry, and because we're driving 1 hour, you never know about the traffic. So we should make it. But for now, we're driving complete in our direction to the airport, and we need to go this way. So we still hope that this is the right bus. We are not quite sure about that. This is where we drove off. This is where we need to go, and this is where we are right now. And this is the reason why it takes us 1 hour and not only 24 minutes to get to the pier. This is our pier, right? This is here, Lipanoi. Okay, okay. Perfect. Okay, so we now... So blurry. So we now arrived at the pier. The ferry leaves in 1.5 hours, but we still need to get the ticket. Sawadee-ka.
2 tickets to Koh Phangan.
300 baht.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
And you stand by here.
Okay, good. I already had breakfast, steamed rice and fried egg, and it was so good that I ordered it again. Can I get one more? 30 baht, right? Yeah. Open cup. And because Fabienne didn't want to get rice for breakfast again, she had a muffin. You got a muffin, right? You already ate it. And her black coffee, and I got her iced caramel macchiato. I just used the last minutes to edit the video from yesterday already. At least I started to edit because it seems to be that it's boarding in the next couple of minutes already. And it's a heavy, rainy storm outside. I just hope that our ferry ride is not too shaky, because last time on Koh Phi I got sick.
Where you go?
Koh Phangan.
Okay, Phangan go to the pier number 1.
One, okay.
Yeah. Okay,
Super.
right
Now
now?
or?
Yes.
Ooh. It's totally windy. Oh, you can barely see anything. It's foggy and windy and wah. Ah. Never used before. Okay, I need to put the camera away. It's too heavy rain. Glad that we got the rain cover for our bags. So we just arrived in Koh Phangan. This is what the weather is like, and we already have accommodation for tonight, but we still got no internet, no mobile data, and I can vividly remember which way to go to our hotel. And it must be here on the right, and it's only a 10-minute walk, so we should be good. You see these guys over here staying in the dry, and we just go. What a wonderful day it is. Can feel the rain, and now we walk. It's good. We like the water. So our first impression of Koh Phangan? Great. Oh, I don't know how we are supposed to cross. Honey, are you serious about that? Honey, how should I? Are you kidding me? I got my shoes on. What is she doing? Honey, I can't go here. I got my shoes on. So of course we could take an hour away, but this is shorter and much faster to get to the hotel. So sorry, sorry, can I go outside to walk at the beach? Yeah. Because I can't cross here, it's totally wet. Ah yeah. Thank you very much. Thank you. We have arrived. Okay, now. Yes, no one. Are we right here? The pier, right?
Yes,
the pier. Okay, perfect. Yeah, okay, perfect. Thank you. We finally arrived at our accommodation, totally soaked, but it's really cool here, apart from the rain maybe. And we also already have guests. One and number two. Two guests, to be precise. I think it's not only for us too rainy outside, also the dogs prefer to have it warm and dry. And this place, by the way, is really cool. We're paying now here, how much are we paying? 20 euros, right? 19 euros. What have we paid in Koh Samui? 10 euros per night? 11, 12 euros? So we're paying here almost double the price, but it's really cool. We don't have a pool, but what we have is a lot of rain. And back there is the ocean. So you can get there already in 1 minute. This is our bedroom, sleeping room. This is a big bench with a dog and Fabian. And our bathroom, especially our shower, is really cool. We got an outdoor shower. How cool is that? So overall it's very simple, but it's really cool. I like it. Do you like it here?
Yes.
Do we have plans for today? For the rest of the day, honey?
Essen.
Food. You always thinking about just one thing, and this is food. So I guess that we just wait until the rain is over. Just let's hope that it's not that late and that it is soon enough that we can leave. 20 minutes later and the rain is still not over, but our level of hungriness increases from minute to minute. How hungry are you from a scale 1 to 10?
11.
11?
Yes.
Need to find something to eat soon. You don't want to be in a room with her when she's hungry. There's no such a thing as bad weather. There's only wrong clothing. Got a rain jacket on. Going now, get something to eat. Totally wet. Oh my god. What is happening here? Welcome to Koh Phangan. Whoa. Oh my god. It's so heavy raining. I took the Canon T7X with me to film, but it's not possible because of this heavy rain. That's the reason why I'm using my phone right now, which is waterproof. We're now going to the food market to get something to eat. What we haven't told you yet or mentioned in the vlog before, we met Vanessa and Anthony in Phuket already. And they are now in the same apartment as we are here in Koh Phangan. They are here also for the full moon party, which is taking place tomorrow. And they also got a bungalow directly next to ours, which is pretty cool. Sorry. What are you doing here? We got already guests, some visitors. Oh, there's another one. You wanna come to Germany? Do you wanna be my dog?